Hello, in front of me I've got TCL NXTpaper. In this video I'll show you how to hard reset the tab to remove the screen lock. In case you forgot your screen lock and you don't have it backed up or written anywhere and you can't access your tab, you can also remove it by wiping all data from your tab. Unfortunately, this procedure will erase every information on your tab, so every photo, contact, message, etc. will be removed. In order to do it, first you have to go to recovery mode. Press and hold power button and volume up button when the tab is turned off. Release power button when you see Android logo. Keep holding the volume up button. Now, using the volume buttons, swipe down. Select Wipe Data Factory Reset and confirm by pressing power button. Confirm. And data wipe is complete. Now reboot system and the screen lock password will also be removed. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.